Convert to Quadrant. This tool is useful to turn any fill object into a drawing object quadrant. Here you can see the object is made by satin fill with dual Bezier tool. First, select an object and press shortcut key F to open properties. Set spacing parameter for size you want. Turn on return to same point properties in advanced menu of satin filling parameter. Here you can see parameters are set 5 mm as we choose. Select an object and press Convert to Quadrant button. Here you can see it create another object as a drawing object. Press Shift plus D shortcut key to show and hide drawing object. We don't need the original object, so we can delete the object. First, draw any object you want to place in boxes and change its color. We will select red color by continuous press Shift key and click on red color. Then select the second object which you create and press Fit to Quadrant button. Here you can see the object is placed in all boxes smoothly.